Today we are going to start a new series, and it's going to be Panna Cotta series. What exactly is Panna Cotta? For those that do not know what Panna Cotta is, it is an Italian dessert which literally translates cooked cream. So the Panna Cotta that we are going to make today may be used in many different ways. You can serve it as dessert, just Panna Cotta with some garnishing, with some toppings. You can also use this as sinkers or as base for your milk tea and coffee drinks, just like your egg pudding. For the ingredients, they are again very simple, typical of what I show you in this channel. Everything must be simple and cheaper. Fresh milk, Agar Agar powder, and sugar. And because we are going to make vanilla Panna Cotta, we're going to add a touch of vanilla to our resulting mixture. Now, what I have in front of me are the finished products, because this process takes at least 4 hours to make. The whole process of cooking the cream will probably take only about 10 to 15 minutes, but you have to let the Panna Cotta set for about 4 hours or refrigerate it overnight. So let's go back and find out how these are made. I'm going to use 2 cups here. Each cup is 180 ml or 6 ounces of fresh milk. I'm going to split it into 2. One, I'm going to mix with my Agar Agar powder. So put the Agar Agar powder into the fresh milk, give it a bit of a stir, and we are going to let it bloom in the milk for 10 minutes. So whilst we are waiting for our Agar Agar powder to bloom, let us prepare our milk. For this, I am going to use a saucepan, and over medium to low heat, I'm going to pour my other half of the milk into the saucepan and bring it to a slight boil. When the milk is warm enough, add the sugar. Stir the sugar to dissolve completely. Be careful that the milk will shoot up when it boils. Stir occasionally. Add the milk with the jelly. Cook for about a minute. Stir constantly to make sure the Agar Agar powder is fully dissolved. After about a minute and you are sure that the Agar Agar powder and the sugar are fully dissolved, turn off the heat. Add a few drops of vanilla flavor. You may use vanilla extract or vanilla flavor as you wish. Stir the vanilla in completely with the mixture. Strain the mixture into a pitcher. Scoop out the bubbles to ensure a smooth Panna Cotta. Let the mixture cool down for a bit. Pour into bottles of your choice, preferably about 50 grams each. Make sure the bottles are heat resistant. Wait for them to cool down. Refrigerate to let the Panna Cotta set for at least 4 hours or overnight if possible. For those without a refrigerator, not to worry, you can also let it set outside the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Now let's prepare our tea. Whilst we are waiting for our Panna Cotta to set, I am going to prepare the tea, which in this case I have decided to use Thai milk tea to give that two-tone color, the orange color of the Thai milk tea and the white Panna Cotta at the bottom of the bottles. This is my finished Thai milk tea. The way I did it is I used 60 grams of Thai tea, soaked it in 2 liters of hot water for 10 minutes, and then added a cup and a half of our milk syrup. What we have here should not be too sweet because this is a ready-to-drink bottle. There is no need to put ice at all. Now, for these bottles, once again, I would like to suggest that if you do not have your custom-made bottles All you have to do is to find stickers that you can easily buy off Shopee or Lazada. And this sticker in particular says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." Isn't that cute? Or you can use Christmas stickers like what I have shown you in another video. You must keep this refrigerated or put it in an ice box before you sell it. It is best served chilled. And when you sell it, you must include a boba straw. Very, very special. So what are the ways that you can serve this? If you are not going to bottle your Panna Cotta drink, you can also let it set in a PET or PET cups. You can also pour it in a big mold tray, and then you can just scoop it up just like your egg pudding. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video tutorial. I am sure that the recipe that I showed you today will be a hit. You can start making Panna Cotta as part of your drinks, or simply plain Panna Cotta as dessert with some garnishing on top, chocolate topping, strawberry topping, Milo even, and serve it to your friends and family, especially children. Children will love this recipe, and they are healthy too. It's just milk. There you go. I'll see you again in my next video tutorial. In the meantime, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.